The autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly that had commenced on 10th September 2021 started with the background rendition of the national anthem, followed by the participation of obituary references by Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA, Leader of the Opposition Dr. MUKUL SANGMA, Congress MLAs PT SAWKMIE, MAYRALBORN SYIEM, Charles PYNGROPE, ZENITH SANGMA, HIMA SHANGPLIANG, Cabinet Ministers James PK SANGMA and LAHKMEN RYMBUI, and others to leaders of the state and the nation who had lost their lives in the past few months. Also, 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect for the departed souls. During the session, Meghalaya Chief Minister and in charge of Personnel and AR, CONRAD K. SANGMA, presented the supplementary demand for grants and supplementary appropriation for the year 2021-22. He also laid before the House the notification for the Meghalaya Consumers Protection, Salary Allowances and Conditions for Presidents and Members of State and District Commission Rules 2020. CONRAD SANGMA also presented the 13th report for the Meghalaya State Information Commission of 2018.
The Meghalaya State Consumer Protection, Salary, Allowances and Conditions of Service of President and Members of the State Commission and District Commission Rules 2021.
Now we come to item number 6. Shri CONRAD K. SANGMA, Chief Minister in charge Personnel and ARA, to lay the 13th annual report of the Meghalaya State Information Commission for the year 2018. Chief Minister, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the 13th annual report of the Meghalaya State Information Commission for year 2018.
The Minister in charge of Forest and Environment, James PK SANGMA, also introduced before the House the Meghalaya Forest Regulation Amendment Bill 2021. In the meanwhile, the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Met Ba Lingdo, had adjourned the House till the 13th of September 2021 at 10 a.m. He also announced that the 6-day Assembly session would include 3 days for government business and 3 days for private members' business.